Hello and good day. This is Gordon with Metaverse and Crypto. I'm back with you today for another update on Y-5 token with some breaking news on a massive contract sell-off. If you find my videos and content of value, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. And finally, the general disclaimer, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purpose only. Please do your own research. So let's get right into it. We're looking at the PooCoin chart for Y-5 token. You can see about 20 hours ago there's a huge red candle downwards. Price went from about 1072 all the way down to 0860, so it gained a zero and dropped a significant amount. So the token lost about 210 points, or around just under 20% of its value in a very short period of time. So what was this from? Was there a big whale selling off, or what else was going on with the underlying factors on Y-5.Finance? Well, looking at the buys and sells, you can see that the contract was actually selling off over 100 times during this period. So this wasn't actually holders selling off, it was the contract which needs to sell off in order to create the BSUD reflections that we all receive for the token. Now at this time, the core team has not addressed this, and there will be an announcement probably sometime tomorrow or upcoming shortly. My speculation is that it's again an exploit of the contract, which has happened in the past. Previously, somebody has done some microtransactions, some very small ones, 1 cent, $1. They try to probe the contract and actually force it or make it sell off. So there is some vulnerabilities here with the contract, which the core team has been following very closely and been monitoring up to this point. Now, if indeed it was this same vulnerability to the contract, the core team, I guess, has kind of slipped up or maybe got a little lax in their following of the token. Can't say at this point in time, and that's just speculation on my point. But, believing that it was a similar type event as last time, I would assume that this was a contract exploit, and we will hear about this shortly. Now as we flip over to another screenshot of PooCoin, I just show you here now what a contract actually sell-off looks like. It's the 48,750,000,000. There's a couple of sell-offs that you can see here in the red. This is not the actual sell-offs that were happening for the red candle. They were just multiple, and of these, like I say, I counted them up. There was over 100 of them that happened almost in succession. So what does this mean for investors in the token? Well, it does create a little bit of a skittishness in, the holders, I believe, and there was, some sell-offs following this, but they responded back greatly. As you can see, there's green candles following, and the community just tends to buy back. And a lot of the buybacks that I see are actually large holders. You see, I look into some of the bigger buybacks like the 95 billion that are there. There's a couple of 200 billion, 300 billion purchases. These are very large wallets. If I look at them, you look at BSC scan, you go in and they're holding 2, 3, 4, 5 trillion total. So these are actually people that are looking at to increase their bag size, and they actually continue to do this whenever I see the price kind of dip almost to 1,000. These same wallets are actually picking up bags and increasing their bag size continuously. So for the hardcore investor, this was a nice opportunity to pick up some Y-5 at a cheap price. The core team has mentioned that, switching over to a version 2 of the contract is a priority following their launch pad, and they do have staking going. So this is a piece that they're going to pick up, and there's going to be a V2, and we'll have to migrate over to that to stop these vulnerabilities that have been happening to the current version of the token. Now, and finally, for those that are holders of the token, this was actually a nice influx of volume for the token. That red candle was just over 100K, so we saw some nice reflections on the way down and also back up for those that are continuing to hold, and actually personally increased my bag size just a small bit as well during this dip and took advantage of it myself as well. So I just have a couple other quick updates. The first here is just to look at the burn wallet, which has been happening due to the exchange. I just took a screenshot here of the last 14 days. You can see there's been nothing crazy going on as far as huge volume on the exchange, but it's been relatively consistent, somewhere between, 7 up to, 12, 14 billion in burn that have been happening on a daily basis. There are a few previous days that are as high as 20, 30, 50, and there's even a 65 billion a day to burn off from sales from the exchange. But as we grow and we get more tokens, we will continue to increase this burn size, and thus increase the scarcity of the token and provide more BSD reflections to those that are still holding. Finally, if you are a holder of Y-5 and you haven't been paying attention much, they are doing a new logo competition, which is closed, and we have the 5 finalists here that are presented in the captions here. The winner of this contest will get 2 BNB and Y-5 tokens, so it's a sizable amount for creating a new logo for the token. And for me personally, I think I like logo number 4 and then logo number 2 the best. There's some stuff that I don't like about all of them. I'm not even sure I like the Y in logo number 4, but that is what it is. I guess we'll be going forward and they'll be selecting one of these 5 as the winner of the competition. So that's it for some quick updates on Y-5.Finance. Again, if you like the content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next update. This is Gordon for Metaverse and Crypto.